Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. In this episode, I will be covering the topic about finding the surface area of a pyramid. Okay, when we say surface area, this is the sum of all the areas of the faces of a figure. Okay, finding the surface area of a pyramid is similar to that of prism and cylinder. Okay, take a look at this pyramid, specifically rectangular pyramid, because the base is rectangle. To easily find this rectangular pyramid's surface area, we will consider its net. Just like prism and cylinder, to find the surface area of a pyramid, we have to get the area of the base, and since pyramid has one base, then we will just get the area of that one base plus the area of the lateral faces. Okay, the number of lateral faces is equal to the sides of the base. It means if your base is a rectangle, then that means there are 4 lateral faces. If the base is triangle, then that means 3 lateral faces. If the base is pentagon, then it means there are 5 lateral faces. Okay, and one more concept that you have to remember is if a pyramid has a regular polygon as its base, okay, regular polygon means all the sides are of equal measures. So if a pyramid has a regular polygon as its base and all of its lateral faces are congruent isosceles triangle, then this is called a regular pyramid. Okay, what does it mean by this one? If you are looking for the area of lateral faces of a regular pyramid, okay, since lateral faces are congruent isosceles triangle, you just have to get the area of one face and multiply it by the number of lateral faces. Okay, let's give an example by answering this concept check question. We will fill in the blanks with the appropriate numbers for the net of the regular pyramid. So this is a regular pyramid and this is its net. Okay, what will be the measure of this side? So this is 3 centimeters. Okay, what about the height of this triangle? So this is equal to 4 centimeters. We will find this regular pyramid's surface area. Since this is a regular pyramid, then that means all the lateral faces are congruent. So first, let's find the area of the base. So this is 3 and 3. So this is 3 times 3 and this is equal to 9 square centimeters. What about the lateral faces? Since this is a triangle, so it's 1/2 times base times height. So if base is 3, then height is 4. So this is 4. Okay, if we will simplify, then 3 times 2 is 6. So 6 square centimeters for one lateral face. And since there are 4 congruent lateral faces, then multiply it by 4. Then this is equal to 24. So 24 square centimeters for all the lateral faces. And to find the surface area, we just need to add 9 plus 24, then this is equal to 33. So the surface area of this regular pyramid is 33 square centimeters. Okay, this time, let's answer this simple problem. What is the surface area of this truncated square pyramid with square base and congruent lateral faces? Okay, if it's a truncated square pyramid, originally, this is a pyramid. And when a plane or when this pyramid is cut by a plane perpendicular to the base, then this truncated square pyramid is formed. So our aim is to find the surface area of this truncated square pyramid. Okay, if you're going to take a look at this one, we have 2 bases, but they are not congruent. So to find the surface area, we have to get the area of the bases, okay, plus the area of the lateral faces. And take note, lateral faces are congruent. So to find the area of the bases, okay, this is 3 and this is 3, so it's 9 square centimeters. Okay, what about the other base? Okay, this is 7 and 7, so this is 49 square centimeters. So 9 plus 49, this is equal to 58 square centimeters for the two bases. Okay, this time, we have to get the area of one lateral face and then later on multiply this one by 4 because there are 4 congruent lateral faces. Okay, lateral faces of a truncated square pyramid is a trapezoid. So to find the area of one trapezoid, it's gonna be, okay, this side, so 3 plus 7, then that's equal to 10. So 10, and then we have to divide this one by 2 and multiply this one by the height of this trapezoid, which is 6. So this is 5 times 6, and this is equal to 30. So 30 square centimeters for one lateral face. And since there are 4 congruent lateral faces, so multiply this one by 4. So this is 120 square centimeters for the 4 lateral faces. And to find the surface area of this truncated square pyramid, okay, we have here 58 plus 120. Okay, then, okay, 58 plus 120, then this is equal to 178. So 178 square centimeters.